Hello, today we are going to part 3 of this presentation. This is the station structure modeling right here. Welcome to this presentation. I'm Maurice Dimba, your presenter today. We'll proceed from where we left on part 2. Now from here we want to place the sheets and put some reinforcement on this plate. Now what we are going to do is going straight to placing the reinforcement. We'll come to steel beam. I'll click right here and place my cursor there and type 300. I'll enter that. Double click on this, come to steel profile under attributes, under the same beam properties. I'll click select. Under IPE I'll pick 100 is okay. I'll apply and accept. Same thing. Now I'll click right click and click move. I'll pick it from the middle here and place it right in the middle there. Click on it again. I'll move it down. I'll snap right there and place my cursor down here and not clicking. I'll type 100 and enter. I'll come to view, rotate with mouse, and rotate this by pressing the left button on the mouse. I want to put some joint here and joint here using end plate. I'll come to applications and component and just type end. I'll pick that. I'll pick this as the main part and this as the secondary part. Same to this. I'll come to navigate, rotate above that spot. I've placed some reinforcement there. Now I want to copy this. I'll right click, click copy. I want to snap right in the middle here and place my cursor down here and type a displacement of 300 and press enter. Perfect. I'll come to navigate under view and rotate by pressing the left button on the mouse. I want to copy this on the other columns. I'll press Ctrl and select the last one. I'll pick copy. I'm not able to see this clearly. I'll come to navigate, rotate with the mouse, pick the part to rotate the model about. I'll pick that and turn it round by pressing the left button on the mouse. I'll come to midpoint here. I'll click on the midpoint there to pick the components I want to copy on the other columns. I want to copy it here. I'll place it here right in the center there. I've placed it. To confirm that, you can check the joint and the bolts protruding outside. You can double click and check on the bolt size by coming to bolts. You can see it's M16, but you can change this to the size of bolts of your preference, but 16 is the best. I'll close that. You can as well change all this end plate, but let's work with the default. Come to view, navigate, rotate with mouse. I want to do the same thing this end, and instead of doing the same, instead of creating that beam the way we did prior to copying it, we'll just do a copy command. And prior to invoking a copy command, we'll come to View, Work Plane tool, and place our work plane tool here on this plane. We'll click it there, right click and click interrupt. Interrupt is just to disable that active command of work plane tool. I'll come to View, rotate with mouse. I'll zoom closer by rotating the mid button on the mouse. I'll press Ctrl and select all this. Select that. I'll go ahead and right click and click special copy and come to mirror. I'll zoom. I'll come to navigate. I'll click this to turn this round. Right click to interrupt. Right click again to interrupt that. Come to special copy, mirror. What we selected is very inactive, so the mirror command will not work very well for us. We'll go ahead and redo the selection. Fortunately enough, they're still active. We'll go ahead and right click and special copy, mirror. We'll place our mirror there and round down here. Just go down straight and click there. Click copy and click OK. Our joints are here and accurately placed. Click here and turn this round. Perfectly attached. Turn this round like that. Now I'll right click and redraw. Now you can turn this round and check the joint. That plate is well held off the beam. Double click this, come here and place 32, apply and accept. Right click and redraw. Well placed. Now we'll go ahead to iron sheet placement. We'll come to steel beam. We'll click that end, just zoom out, come to view, navigate, rotate with mouse, turn that round and click at this very end. Double click on that, come to select under profile, we'll come to rib deck, pick the rib deck E16 and snap here and just click there. Our axis still has a problem, delete that. We'll come to view, work plane tool, and just place our work plane tool there. Come to steel beam, just zoom out, place your cursor there and run all the way to this end, right there. Come to position, back, below. Okay, double click this, come to position and give it front, apply and accept. That, let me press escape and we take back our axis back to the usual spot or the usual point. Click that and place this one here. Right click to disable that. I'll click that, right click, click move. From here to here, 300. Let's zoom out. Right click, click move. From here to here, 100, and enter that. With some offset, right click, click move, snap there and just place your cursor here and type 200. Click that and turn this round. Move it, we'll offset it. We've gone beyond the limit. Right there, and snap there and type 20. We need a slight offset again from there to here, 20. Perfect. Now we can navigate, rotate with mouse. Double click on this, come to position, type 300, 0, type 300, 350, 400 is much better. Apply and accept. Now navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this round. Click this and turn this round. Click this, click copy. From here, right there, and bring it here. And bring it there. Delete duplicates. And right there. And right here. Right here. And right here. Right here. Just zoom closer. Place this one here. And the other one here. Down here. Place next one here. And the next one here. Place the next one here. Just zoom closer. And the next one there. The next one here. Place it down there. Up there. Down there. And up there. And down here. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this round. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this round. Click this. right click, click copy, from there to here. Now we'll come to navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this round. We'll come to edit, edit using part. We'll pick this as the part, the cutting part, and this the part to be cut. We'll click that and click the cutting part. We'll undo that. We'll use now the line, cut by line, turn this round, turn this the other side, we'll come to edit, cut by line, we'll click this and snap right here and run all the way to the other end. Come to view, rotate with mouse, right click here and just snap it here and click the part to remove. We remove that part, right click to redraw, click that and turn this round. Click this and turn round. Now we'll come to steel beam. We'll click here and come all the way to this spot. We'll come to view, navigate and rotate with mouse. Double click on this, come to position, click right, apply and accept, come to navigate, rotate this, rotate this, double click on this, come to position and bring this to 200. 300 will be much better. Apply and accept, because we need a provision for gutter placement. Gutter will be placed right here. Now from here we'll just click move. From right here, just place your cursor there and type 300 and enter. Right click, click move, Click that and place your cursor there and type 100 and enter. We've gone beyond. Click that, turn this round. That's perfect. Turn this round, click and turn this round. Turn this round carefully prior to copying. We'll click this, right click, click copy. From here to down here. Just continue up there. Down here. Up here. Something wrong, undo that. Undo everything. Undo that. Do that. Right click, counter navigate, rotate with mouse. Right click, click copy. That midpoint. And that midpoint. Not a perfect move. Turn this round. Navigate, turn this round. Right click, click copy. From down here to upside, the up part of this, upward part of that sheet. Then you come down here, then probably up. The placement should alternate. Then down here, then up, then down. Just zoom and place it there, and place it up. And place it down here. Just continue till we get to the very end of this. Put it up. And place this one down here. And place this one up here. Just go all the way and place this one down right there. Come all the way upward, or on top of that, then come down here. You alternate just to maintain the level of the sheet placement. Right there. And down here. And up. And down. And up. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse, click that and turn this round. We'll come to edit, cut by line, click this, click right there, and run all the way to the very end of this. Just zoom out and click here, and click the side to trim off. Right click, and redraw. Come to view, rotate with mouse and turn this round like that. Now the next thing remaining is to place our plane tool here, because we want to do some mirroring. We'll place on this plane, and now we'll come here and press Ctrl and select all this. And select all this. Select all this. Select all this. Select all this. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse, turn this round. Perfect. Now our next move is to right click, come to spatial copy, come to mirror, zoom closer and focus on the midpoint of this. Right there, and run all the way down here, right there, and click copy. Accept, right click and interrupt that. We've copied that. We'll close all that. I can turn this round. This round, we placed the sheet. Now if we switch back to these views, you want to be able to see the sheets. If you cut across the sectional view, you'll be able to see the sheet well placed. Come back to isometric and turn this round. Turn this round. On the next presentation, we'll place the decks down here to cover all these purlins and place some reinforcement on these plates, like here and here. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and let's meet on the next presentation. I'm Maurice Dimba, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new to it. Place any comment, I'll respond back to you, and bye bye.